Hey guys, welcome back to the Crap Kitchen. The monotone monolith. And another episode of Cook You Bastards. The Crap Kitchen is dead. Long live the Crap Kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to Cook You Bastards. It's been a while, but here we go. So things were getting too easy for me in the Crap Kitchen. I'd finally gotten it renovated to the place I wanted it. I decided it was time to try something else. Also, we sold our house and moved. So now we're in a rental. I'm not gonna call it crap because it's not mine. It's got everything I need. Hey, it's time to get back to some Cook You Bastards business. So today, because I like spicy food, I like jalapeno peppers, you know I love my trash nachos, I'm gonna make homemade pickled jalapenos. They're super easy. Just put some toilet paper in the freezer for the next day. The first thing you wanna do is glove up, because otherwise you're gonna burn your eyes out next time you touch them. Then slice your fresh jalapenos, about half a dozen for one batch. I was doing a double here. Then you make your pickle brine, super easy. A cup of white vinegar, a cup of water. I throw in a couple of tablespoons of dried oregano and a couple of cloves of minced garlic, lazy stuff out of a jar, and about a tablespoon of salt. Some people like to add sugar for a sweet and sour deal. I hate sweet and sour, so I leave that out. Some people add carrots, you know, do whatever you want to do here. Bring that up to a boil, take it off the heat and add your jalapenos, and boom, you're done. Then you just stuff a clean jar full of peppers and pour the brine on top. Then you update your label. And it took me forever to edit this, as you can see. But that's it, they're ready to go. You can eat them right now, put them in the fridge. I've eaten them weeks later and they're fine. Spicy though, for real. Like, be careful with these guys. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody, and thanks for sticking with me while I was away. Please hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, blah, 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 blah. Thank you and good night.